Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use framer overlays to add pop-ups and drop-downs to your project, a great way to make your designs more interactive and engaging. So let's jump right in. First, you want to open Framer on your computer and head over to your workspace. Then you want to choose the frame you want to work on. In this case, I'll be choosing this frame. Then once it's selected, you want to look to the hand side of your screen and find the overlay section, this one. Click on it. Inside the overlays menu, you'll see an option called fix. This one, you need to turn that on. Go ahead and turn that on. So what this does is it creates a static overlay that stays in place even if other elements move. Also, it'll appear as a black overlay by default, but don't worry, you can actually and easily customize the color. So just click the color box to open the palette, and you want to pick any shade that fits your project's theme. So in my case, let me go ahead and choose a reddish one. There we go. And now that your overlay is ready, let's go ahead and add some interactive content. You want to go to insert this button. Then from here, you can drag in elements like forms, drop downs, or pop-ups, so whatever you want to display in your overlay. So for in this sample, I want to add waitlist on my overlay. So let's do this. So I'll just choose this and drag it all the way to the center. There we go. And once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click the desktop icon to preview your work before saving or publishing it, this icon. So let's go ahead and do this. Click this. There we go. And as you can see, once I click this anywhere on this frame, boom, the overlay appears. And basically that's it. You've just learned how to use overlays in Framer to create pop-ups, drop-downs, and interactive elements that stand out in your design. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!